Hi there. Good to see you guys. We are having our college lesson today, and I'm really excited. I am hoping by the end of this lesson, you will know and you will understand why this is important to start thinking about it and start talking about it now. So, first thing is first, when you see this pencil, it means you should be typing in your packet, not writing. Let me change that right now. You should be typing in your packet responses. And we're going to start with a do now. But before we do that, in case you haven't met me yet, my name is Miss Jensen. I am the 9th grade math teacher, also teaching one section of physics. All right, to start off today, you need to answer these two questions in your packet. You can see the pencil up here, so you are typing in your packet. You are filling out the chart with pros and cons of college that you've heard. Second, what do you think colleges look for when you apply? You have 3 minutes to answer these questions, and then you'll get directions from your teacher. Go ahead and start.